Tired of faded, scratched leather ruining your decor? Imagine your couch looking brand new, no expensive replacements. Meet Furniture Clinic's original leather recoloring balm. Professional grade restoration for dark brown leather surfaces. Perfect for homeowners, car owners, and furniture restorers. Restore color, repair scratches, and protect from future damage. Easy to use. No special tools or skills needed. Simply apply the balm to clean, dry leather. Watch faded hues revive instantly with rich, vibrant color. Scratches and wear disappear before your eyes. Formulated for couches, car seats, and all leather furniture. Removes stains, fading, and everyday wear effortlessly. Restores natural tones and preserves original texture. Prevents cracking, peeling, and future fading. Enjoy long lasting durability and a polished finish. Protects against sun damage, ideal for sunny rooms and cars. Professional results at home, no need for costly repairs. Seamless color matching for all dark brown leather shades. Engineered for quick, effective refurbishment. Good housekeeping seal, trusted quality and effectiveness. Rigorous testing by expert scientists and engineers. Product effectiveness, packaging, and claims fully evaluated. Feel confident in your purchase, backed by experts. Transform tired furniture into statement pieces. Refresh car seats for a luxurious, like new look. Impress guests with flawless leather surfaces. No more hiding scratches under throws or cushions. Quick application. Results in minutes, not hours. Non toxic, safe for use around family and pets. No harsh odors. Enjoy a clean, fresh finish. Preserves the feel and flexibility of real leather. Works on sofas, chairs, ottomans, and more. Ideal for restoring vintage or high end furniture. Boost resale value with professionally restored leather. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional restorers. Great for landlords updating rental properties. Car owners keep interiors pristine and inviting. Furniture merchants offer quick, effective solutions. Step by step instructions included for flawless results. Customer support available for every question. Get expert advice before or after your purchase. Thousands trust Furniture Clinic for leather care. See real life transformations, before and after photos. Restore family heirlooms and favorite pieces. No more embarrassment over worn out furniture. Upgrade your living space with vibrant leather. Enjoy a fresh modern look without breaking the bank. Protect your investment, extend furniture lifespan. Maintain luxury and comfort in every room. Easy cleanup, just wipe away excess balm. No sticky residue, just smooth, flawless leather. Perfect for busy households and active lifestyles. Ideal for pet owners, repair scratches from claws. Great for parents, remove stains and spills easily. Save time and money with one simple solution. Enjoy peace of mind, your leather is protected. Join thousands who've upgraded their furniture. Notice the difference after just one application. Professional finish, no streaks or uneven color. Designed for all dark brown leather colors. Compatible with most leather types and finishes. Trusted by furniture and automotive professionals. Revitalize your home, car, or office space. Don't settle for faded, damaged leather. Experience the upgraded look and feel today. Take pride in your restored leather surfaces. Order Furniture Clinic Leather Recoloring Balm now. Enjoy expert support and guaranteed satisfaction. Transform your leather, restore, protect, and impress. Furniture Clinic, where restoration meets innovation. Ready for a vibrant, durable finish? Try it today. Click to buy and upgrade your leather experience. Furniture Clinic, trusted by experts, loved by customers. Your leather's best friend for lasting beauty. Don't wait, restore your leather now. Furniture Clinic, Leather Recoloring Balm, make it new again. Experience the transformation. Order yours today. Furniture Clinic, restore, protect, enjoy.